When it comes to home security, your doors are one of the most critical components of your home's defense. Doors not only provide a welcoming entrance to your property, but they also serve as the first line of protection against potential intruders. While it may be tempting to install a door yourself to save money, professional door installation is a smart investment that can enhance the security of your Washington home and give you peace of mind. In this article, we'll discuss why professional door installation is essential for improving the security of your home, why DIY installation may not be sufficient, and how expert installation can make a real difference in your home's safety. Proper fit and secure installation. The most important factor in ensuring your door provides maximum security is proper installation. Even the strongest, most durable door can be compromised if it's not installed correctly. Professional door installation ensures that your new door fits properly within the frame and is securely mounted, making it far more difficult for intruders to break in. Accurate measurements. A professional installer has the expertise to take accurate measurements and ensure that your door fits snugly into the frame. A door that's too small or too large will leave gaps around the edges, allowing for air leaks, water penetration, and easier access for intruders. Reinforced door frame. Over time, wooden door frames can weaken, leading to potential vulnerabilities in your home's security. Professional installers can assess and reinforce the door frame as needed, ensuring it's as sturdy and secure as possible to withstand forceful attempts to open it. Having an expert handle the door installation ensures the door is properly sealed, aligned, and reinforced to provide optimal security. Stronger locks and hardware. A door's security features are just as important as the door itself. Whether you're replacing an existing door or installing a new one, it's important to ensure that the locks and hardware are of high quality. Professional door installation comes with the added benefit of expert advice on selecting the best locking systems for your needs. Multi-point locking systems. For added security, many professionals recommend installing multi-point locking systems. These locks secure the door at multiple points along the frame, making it harder for intruders to force the door open. This is particularly beneficial for larger doors such as French doors or sliding glass doors, which can be more vulnerable than traditional hinged doors. High security. Deadbolts. Deadbolt locks are a must for exterior doors. Professional installation ensures that your deadbolt is installed correctly and securely. Deadbolts add an extra layer of protection by making it harder for someone to break the door open with tools or brute force. Smart locks and digital security. In today's world, smart locks have become a popular choice for homeowners looking for convenience and additional security. Professional installers can help you choose and set up smart locks that allow remote control and monitoring of your door's security from your smartphone. This can help you keep track of who's entering and exiting your home. A professional door installation ensures that your locks and hardware are not only high quality but also properly installed for maximum protection. Weatherproofing and energy efficiency. While door security is a priority, it's equally important to consider how your door performs against the elements. Washington's weather can vary significantly, from hot, humid summers to cold, wet winters. A well-installed door can help keep your home insulated and protected from external weather conditions, which also contributes to the overall security and comfort of your home. Proper sealing. Professional installers will make sure that your door is properly sealed to prevent drafts and air leaks. A door that's improperly installed or not sealed correctly can allow cold air to seep in during the winter, or warm air to escape during the summer, resulting in higher energy bills and a less comfortable living environment. Energy-efficient doors. Many modern doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Choosing a door that has a built-in insulated core or features like low-E glass can help keep your home at a comfortable temperature year-round, saving you money on heating and cooling costs. A professional installer can help you select the most energy-efficient doors that will still meet your security needs. Weatherproofing your home not only improves energy efficiency but also ensures that your door remains durable and functional in all types of weather, providing protection from water and wind damage. Enhanced home aesthetics. Your door is one of the first things people notice when approaching your home. A well-chosen, well-installed door can instantly enhance the curb appeal of your property. On the other hand, a poorly installed or outdated door can detract from your home's overall look. Design and style. A professional installer can help you choose a door that suits your home's architectural style and design preferences, whether it's a traditional wooden door, a sleek fiberglass door, or a modern glass door. A door that complements your home's exterior can make it more inviting and visually appealing. Custom features. Professionals can also install custom doors with specific features, such as decorative glass panels or transom windows, that enhance the aesthetic value of your home without compromising security. A professionally installed door not only boosts security but also elevates the overall appearance of your home. Peace of mind and warranty protection. Choosing a professional installation service comes with the added benefit of warranty protection. If there are any issues with the door or installation in the future, a warranty will ensure that you don't have to pay extra for repairs. Installation warranty. Most professional door installation services offer warranties on both the door and the installation work itself. This means that if there are any defects in the door or if the door is not functioning correctly, the installer will address the issue at no additional cost to you. Expert advice. A professional installer can also give you valuable advice on maintaining the security and longevity of your door. Whether it's regular maintenance or specific tips for improving the lock system, having an expert guide you through the process can provide peace of mind. Conclusion. Professional door installation is an essential investment for homeowners in Washington who want to enhance the security, comfort, and appearance of their property. A well-installed door not only offers better protection against break-ins but also improves your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and long-term durability. With proper lock installation, weatherproofing, and expert advice, professional door installation ensures that your home remains safe, secure, and comfortable for years to come. Don't compromise on security. Trust a professional to handle your door installation with expertise and care.